Anthropic's international chief Chris Ciari told reporters at a Seoul press conference on June 17 that blocked frontier models Claude Mythos and Fable 5 could be re-enabled within days. The White House had ordered the models restricted from non-US users after a Korean telecom, SK Telecom, was suspected of links to China, prompting Anthropic to pull the models globally. The press event, originally meant to announce Anthropic's Korean expansion, was dominated by questions about export controls and the Project Glasswing cybersecurity initiative, which limits Mythos access to roughly 150 vetted partners including Google, Nvidia, Microsoft, and Apple, with Samsung, SK Hynix, and SK Telecom representing Korea. Co-founder Tom Brown was replaced at the last minute by Ciari, who called Korea one of the world's fastest-growing markets. Some industry figures warned repeated clashes with Washington could damage trust in Anthropic services. Browser Use has rebuilt its cloud browser infrastructure, cutting session costs from 6 cents to 2 cents per hour and reducing cold starts to under 1 second. The team runs Firecracker micro-VMs nested inside EC2 instances, an unconventional choice that delivers isolation, speed, and low cost simultaneously. Performance benchmarks show VM cold starts under 400 milliseconds, API latency of 825 milliseconds at P50 and 1.35 seconds at P99. And a 100% success rate in a 10,000 session stress test. The redesigned stack now tops the Browser Arena leaderboard. For stealth, Browser used forked Chromium to patch automation flags at the engine level and assembled a fingerprint pool from real macOS, Windows, and Linux browsers, achieving 84.8% evasion on the Illuminate browser bench, an industry high. Next, the team plans to snapshot already running Chromium instances, saving another 545 milliseconds per session. Hyundai is acquiring SoftBank's remaining 9.65% stake in Boston Dynamics for $325 million, with board approval expected June 22, making the robotics firm a wholly owned subsidiary. The deal exercises a put option from Hyundai's 2021 purchase of an 80% stake. Hyundai plans to deploy the production Atlas humanoid at its Georgia electric vehicle plant for parts sequencing starting in 2028, expanding through 2030. CEO Robert Plater has set commercialization benchmarks. The robot must learn new tasks within 1 to 2 days and achieve 99.9% reliability. Meanwhile, SoftBank is redeploying proceeds toward AI bets, including a new venture called Rose AI targeting physical infrastructure and data centers, with a $100 billion valuation goal and an IPO plan this year.